In the world of AI, Google dropped an amazing AI, which is Gemini command line interface, Gemini CLI. Hey, I am Ridul and welcome back to Prompt Junkie. Today we are going to talk about how can you download and set up Gemini CLI in your system for free and how useful it is. We'll try to build a simple and complex application through it and we'll see how effective it will provide you the results. Alright, without wasting much time, we are here on the official blog post of Gemini CLI by Google. You can go through the data, you can read the details, find amazing features here. But I am more interested to tell you about these three things. Like earlier, you had three model requests per minute, but now you have 60 model requests per minute, and you have 1K model request for a day. It's amazing, and it is an open source, so you can use it for free. Coming down here, there are instruction to install it in your system. Clicking on it, it will redirect you to the official repository of command line interface. Coming down again here, it will give you some things like with the Gemini, you can do these things, right? So here's a quick start to install Gemini CLI in your system. You need to have Node.js installed in your system for the version 18 or above. I would recommend to use a stable latest version that will be helpful. So if you don't have installed Node.js, you can click on this link. It will redirect you to the Node.js organization page from where you can download Node.js for the Mac OS or Windows for whatever version you're looking for. But this video is not about Node.js but about CLI. Coming back to the repository of CLI, after that there are two commands which you can use. So we are gonna use CLI through terminal. So copying the first command, opening the terminal, and we'll paste it here. After that, it will ask you to sign up through your Google account or API key that you can get it from your Google AI Studio. Before that, it is asking the mode. I'm asking the darker mode. So that's what I was talking about. It is asking for you to log in through Google or Gemini API key that you will get from AI Studio. So I'll log in through my Google account. So after logging through my Google account, the Gemini is here. So we'll try if it is working for us not. We'll first create a basic to-do list application. After that, we'll creating the complex to-do list application. The prompt for the basic one I've already created, and for the advanced one, obviously I've already created. So pasting the prompt for the basic application, it says create a simple responsive to-do list app for use. App using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The app should allow a user to add new tasks, some basic operation of to do things like add tasks, remove tasks, these things. So we'll just enter and we'll see how it goes. It says my other process is is initiating the web app. It understood the application, understood the requirements. It says just once whatever changes it is asking for. So it instructed that the application is running on localhost 8000. We came here and yeah, it is working here. The basic functionality is you can add the task, you can remove the task. This is all about to do basic thing. So creating a task, say task 1 is the first task, you can add it. Task 2 is the second task. Now see if whenever we are hovering, the delete button is coming, otherwise it is not there, right? So okay, delete functionality is also working. So we can say the simple things are working with Gemini. So let's see, will the complex to-do list will work? There should be date thing, there should be search button, there should be edit button, and the priority thing should be there. We'll create a prompt. Actually, I have created a prompt for that, and we'll give it to Gemini CLI. We'll see how long will it take to create such application. We'll test it for that as well. So coming back to CLI, and let's see, just paste the prompt here. Obviously it is a bit complex and it may take some time to create that thing. So it is executing the command. Just wait for the next instruction what it will be giving. So the first permission, it is asking for me to use the React app or not, because we are using the complex functionality this time. So it is up to you, you want to give the permission or not. So I'm gonna allow once. It has, I guess it is downloading the dependencies, starting the React project, setting up the configurations, I guess. So it took more time than the simple one, because in the simple one we were not using React. In this one we are using the React and dependency. It first installed all the things and configure the things as per the need, and then it made all the logic, writing the files and creating the integration things. Now it says we can run the app here on localhost 3000. We'll just copy this and paste it here. We'll see if it will work or not. It's not working. We'll say run the app above app for me. So it's defining the deployment phase. Now I guess it should work after some time. Allowing the permission. Allow. Right, now it is working. With a compiled with problem, it says line toggle dark mode is not defined. So copy this line from here and paste it here, right, getting this line. All right, there was an error for toggle dark mode which was not defined. It said we copied the error, give it back to CLI, and it made all the changes required for that error. And now I rerun the application. Let's see if it is working or not. It the light mode, clicking light mode and dark mode is working. The text written inside the button is changing as well. Check if tasks are able to add or not. Creating video is the first task. We haven't added any date, so it has been here like this. So any other task we can add. Edit a job for the priority high. We say we need it by tomorrow. Ask edit. There are three tasks edited. Am I able to use the search button here? We use editor. Yeah, it is working fine. We can sort by due date: sooner, fast, latest, oldest, newest. So it is working. We will check if edit is working or not. In this task we forgot to add the date. We'll try to edit now. So say 30, save. Yeah, it has been added. It also give up, you can say, hint that it has been overdue. The due date in 4 days, due date tomorrow. The colors of medium, low and high is already like very familiar, you can say very uh, attentive. Low for green, medium for yellow, and high for red. If I'm able to delete these things, yeah, clicking on it, I'm able to delete it. So right, all the functionalities for the advanced to-do list application is working, that has been created by Gemini CLI. If you are finding any error in your application, in the things that you are trying to make through Gemini CLI, you just copy the thing, give it back to the CLI, ask them to resolve the things, and it will be doing easily, right? It will do all these things for you. You can ask the CLI to download all the structure for you. I gave the instruction, it that download the folder structure and the things that you wrote the application on my desktop. So it downloaded a folder, the folder structure on my desktop, right? So this is a little bit about Gemini CLI. There are many more things that you can do through Gemini CLI. So try multiple things. Let me know in the comment section what you guys have tried. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for the next video. Till then, bye bye.